Hello, I'm Miss Milda, and this is a tutorial on how to hold your bow. This is for my students at ViBO Music. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is the relationship between the thumb and the middle finger. This is for your right hand, holding the bow with your right hand. Okay, so you're going to pay attention. Your thumb is bent, and you're going to contact your middle finger underneath the first crease of your finger. Okay, you see between the two creases of your middle finger? But we're going to go closer to the first crease, not exactly directly underneath it with your nail, but like a little bit, tiny bit out more. Right there, that's the spot right there. Okay, so you should feel it. That's the place where your bow goes. So now, all we're going to do is we're going to put our thumb in the right place and on our middle finger there, and I'll show you. So take your bow, and let's put our thumb down. Do you see right here in the bow, there's a space between the grip and the frog. This is the frog and the grip. There's a spot right there that will keep your thumb from sliding. You put your thumb right there. Not in the hole. That's not right. No. Put it right there. Some people, their grip is higher up. That's okay. That's fine. It's right around there. The thumb is bent, and it's on the tip of the thumb right underneath the nail. That's where it goes. Then you take your middle finger and you put it right in that spot we talked about. Lay it on top. Whoop, there it is. Now, next thing you do is lay your first finger down. Whoop, and it should be right around the first crease of the first finger. Then lay your ring finger down. Then lay your pinky on top. The pinky is balancing the stick, and the pinky is on top. See? Now you could see that's the bow hold. Just like that. Bent thumb, curved pinky, always. Bent thumb, curved pinky, always. Okay, now I'm going to show you another way to do it. Okay, so make your hand like this, up, like hi, almost hi. Okay, now put your, make your stick like this, your bow stick. Now put your bow on top of the pinky. And it's right around there. For some people, it might be here or it might be like closer to here, but it's like right around here. So let's just put it right here. Okay, now we're going to slide the bow to the first crease of the pointer finger. So you see, I'm gonna do this again. So I have my hand like this, and it's on top of the pinky, and I'm gonna slide the bow to the first crease of the first finger. And then you're gonna curve your fingers over. That's it. And then put your thumb in that spot we talked about before. And that's our bow hold. And the pinky is the balancing. Okay? Now when you bow, with time you learn to have flexible fingers, and you kind of like, it has this going on. But for right now, this is the basic bow hold. And your pinky is balancing, and you can practice by going, like pushing your pinky, and then it will do some little, lifting. Your pinky balances. Your first finger adds weight by pronation, by tilting into the stick when you play, to add weight. And then these fingers hug the stick. That's how you hold the bow.